So in mechanical, to be exact, we have a strength of totally 180 students. So out of that, to my knowledge, I think there are only 15 students who have been placed.
Okay.
So in that, out of that, only like 80 to 100 people are eligible for most of the companies. According to my view, like starting, we only had like software-based companies entering into our campus in the 6th and 7th semester. So we only had like around 4 to 5 core companies to come to our college campus. So also the base, like since we had the 2 years of online classes, their bases were not strong. So all those stuff which were covered in the second year, they weren't feeling serious. So they're like lethargic. They're like, I'll take it, I'll do some other thing. They're just always procrastinating. They're like, they won't prepare for the interview properly. So these were some of the reasons that they weren't able to place. Yeah.